Have you met the all-electric Geely EX5 yet? No? Well, it's an SUV and this is one of our Pro models finished in the lovely Arctic White. But best of all, it is now down to just £379 deposit and £379 per month. Let's take a closer look. Like what you see? We certainly do. This fantastic offer is only available until the 31st of March or while stock lasts, and I have to admit there is only 3 of them available. So make sure to book yourself a test drive with us, Grose Geely in Ipswich on Crane Boulevard, IP3 9SQ now.